Naboigo mkuru bale obukoreri wa vacuum cleaning, sofa set cleaning, ase Chinka niko bagotuka imiyo mu cy'umusongo nyanjwa hanene gitari ya maiso mbabwate boigo bukoreri bwa pick up na boigo delivery asamange bakirisine ase namba 0742178765. Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.
Maragoba vengia na inde umwancho murigere wa Getembe TV cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi chabona maragoba ebiro bya bene byo gusanga asema ya wetera Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi nenche Matildah Obaigwa torache kubwaterana nere Makori Wilson kora sensemo area yebimanyerere karanso ikena boigo usanga naintwe ase mutandao ito bwekerero uri Facebook na boigo yo YouTube Ekeonga gikochera eyemo aseyemo na guchake Ekeonga kurasoro kongoro gusi babotani bekiama gia Jubilee abo obale abaraiba kurigia mabaga gose birogo soro ngoro iga ebirogo na ekyo ebyo senator ebirogo byo bunge na boigo bo MCA asichi county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii niko bono bagenderete kumwakira Dr. Fred Okengo Matiange kuko na boigo twaro kwegena unekiama gia Jubilee ngere tuburayo bya soro ngoro rwagusi okono kurase bunge ya Borabu ime county ya Nyamira boigo nigo bamwakire ekoko nere oyo kurige kirogo kyo bunge ase Chinsa mecho nero mwana siasa murara kibaso achinga kecho mbabwato gosemere buna nigo umugusi aranyore gitarie kenene ase serikali irache.
Mr. Speaker, sir, there is poverty in Borabu constituency. People have become poor because of bad economic policies. Yes. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to say this today, that Kenya has a budget of 4.2 trillion. Mr. Speaker, sir, the people of Borabu constituency deserve development and economic progress. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I want industries that are going to employ our youth who have gone to school, have papers, and are sleeping at home without jobs.
Ukipewa nafasi kama mjumbe, usikule pesa ya wananchi. Ukipewa nafasi kama mjumbe, usichenge joo ya shilingi 1,800. Ukipewa nafasi kama mjumbe, uligeria abana abarenka ayo barigeri barua bonzi pi. Taribo. Akipewa nafasi kama mjumbe, kila mtu apate basari.
Boigo etwachaga gwakire kiama gitu gia Jubilee ekoko. No murayo ito Fred Okengo Matiangi. Barenga abajite Fred Okengo Matiangi. Tunataka kubadilisha leadership ya Kisii ili tupate watu ambao watafanyia wa Kisii kazi. Tufukuze umasikini na ugonjwa. Arambe! Ninyi hata mko one time. Uko nyuma, uko nje, mko one time. Hebu niweke epi one time. Anyamutagete Matiangi sa parliament. Mwabeke chikadi jeno tayari bakebi mwana muraba ikoye bagokora. Aina arutwa baretera. Kero monta ke kurenga kia 2027. Pakomo ruwaire. Matiangi oye! Matiangi power!
Esrayo ke ekoira murara parliament. Ekoira Matiangi igari kuru. Roko bwate kura anyeto bwate kuru bwate. Ekende moreje estene pati ya Jubilee. Abantu baminto balenga bagote abangati gatoye Matiangi chikura tena murara.
tigana nayo kubotakana nembura enyingi ya El Nino iyo kagire guche gutukuru mutije Ikomi wiko mutinyi Ikomi na rimu mwako yoiga nikubona umukonyi bumura ibwenze ya Kenya muske Kithure Kindiki asense moyae anyarire kwegerera serikali na gutabuna serikali nigo yariganiri kima nabo igokubeka emirobiro yo gucha kwane kibuna abakenya banyariro obukoreri obuya chinga kiecho nakubwa mono ase serikali igenderete kweroberia soko gulindagira eli uchigotanga nabo igokurwani muchando bwenchara ase biro bire ebosio.
The issue of El Nino preparedness and relief because of the food situation. We have a depressed harvest from the bread basket of the country's cereal producing areas. We have a depressed harvest, and therefore we have taken measures to cushion the country from hunger and from famine. And the Ministry of Agriculture is engaged, and the National Treasury has been very supportive. We need to put everything in place to make sure that our country does not struggle, because modern countries have a way of being resilient against the shocks that come either by weather or by other things, including the war in Iran. So the outlook, in my view, looks great. We are okay.
Na chinga kichecho mokonyi bumura bwense Kithure Kindiki nikobono anyarako ra omoyiga bukuba bekira chigutwa abanyanyimbo bali banyare konyora amegerio aye chingencho ana boigo ase birengo aho bamanyekane ase Kenyamolero una cadets ase umurobero yonyara gukorekana ase Chinsa mochiaru irume county ya Kiambu na chinga kichecho moske Kithure Kindiki nigata biruna nabatu kwegena obukorere bwa abanyanyimbo bengencheyo nigobwa bero bwengencho uchase aba Kenya na kubo muno bali bakora ase Chinsa mocheji jela ime igense.
Every cadet who marched into this parade ground today did so as an individual. In a few moments, they will march out as officers of the Republic entrusted with authority over the liberty of fellow citizens. To every graduate, congratulations. The training you have completed was rigorous by design, because the responsibility awaiting you is beyond these gates and is going to be quite onerous by necessity. To your families who supported and sacrificed for you long before this college did, the discipline we celebrate today did not begin here. It began in your homes. For your encouragement, sacrifice, steadfast support, I thank your families on your behalf.
On behalf of the Kenya Prison Service, I wish to express our sincere appreciation to you for gracing this important occasion. Your Excellency, before you are that 6 cadet officers who have undergone 13 months of rigorous training designed to equip them with the discipline, leadership skills, ethical standards, and professional competencies. They are drawn from varied disciplines, including medicine, architecture, engineering, surveying, sociology, and counseling psychology, among others.
Omo Ravens ya Kenya omukoro muske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta nikubono amochirie serikali ya matukaya iga anamuna sate biribuna nsemo yo bolindi tirabage koena na obolindi boisaine uchase abarai bonsi bali babiri bagwaka siasa chabo anamono koro asensemo yoko ya mireria serikali na chinga kicho nigate biribuna ikatiba yensi ya Kenya nigo yanchirita abakenya bonsi kusange birengere byabona abakenya bande nabo igotara chinsemo botutukano bonde wensi butayoka ukwana kurasoro bongora Western Kenya chinga kichoko munyora yo kabiro mukonyi bomurae wensi myake mekoro nyagosira Michael kijana omalo muske Uhuru nigatebire nerebuya abakenya koligererwa na boigo kwegwa obusibuli bwo gachora abarai baganetie
na hatuwezi kukubali turudi nyuma. Mutakubali kurudi nyuma? Mutakubali kurudi nyuma? Kama ni kuomba kura, tuombe kwa amani. Wananchi wana ujuzi wa kujua Wakisema wanataka Kalonzo ni Kalonzo. Wakisema wanataka Ruto ni Ruto. Wakisema wanataka Matiang'i ni Matiang'i. Wakisema wanataka Sifuna, Sifuna. Jameni, chungeni. Mimi sitaki kuitwa sponsor bana. Mimi sitaki mambo mingi. Mimi nimesema ya kwamba chaguo ni la nani? Chaguo ni la nani? Na hakuna haja ya kulazimisha Mkenya yeyote kwenda upande huu au upande huu. Wakenya watajichagulia wenyewe.
Muraibu kiama gia DCP Muskeri Gathi Gachagua kagenderete na siasa ya Ekurasa Rugongo rwa Mount Kenya nigo agendete gusangana babwatani ao ase Chinsa moja o Munyoro na kagukwano mugasorero nigo amuchirie serikali ya Muske William Ruto na boigo igatia bawaziri ase atebire bagoswana no gukoreri na boigo buteneneri Getembe getenenerete obuchori ne chimbebe mensi ya Kenya Ekeonga kya IEBC na chinga kicho boigo nigagenderere ko moja umurobelyo kuse sekta yobolendi asokubura kubolendi ase amatukayaiga.
Kuna kitu kingine wanataka kufanya hapo kwa IEBC wakiwa na Joho na vice chairman wa IEBC. Iko system wanataka kulete ya kuiba uchaguzi ambaye ni details imebaki tu kidogo. Unajua sitakagi kusema kitu kabla sijapata yenyewe sawa. So imebaki kidogo. Ninaomba Mungu by kesho kabla sijaondoka nikuwe nimepata. Ndio tuambie wa Kenya. Na unajua mimi si mtu ati anapewa information naenda kunegotiate na rais na serikali. Mimi nikipewa information na Kenya inasaidia wa Kenya. Na polisi wananipenda sana kwa sababu ninawasaidia. Na ndio wananipatia maneno. Niambia hapa. Kama sasa hiyo watu ya SOG wanasema sisi hatutaki kufanya kazi, hatujalipo. Pesa yetu Kasongo amechukua. So hii maneno tutaendelea. Hata ya Isiolo, Marsabit, please keep me informed. Wacha tutetee nyinyi. At least tumuzuie kidogo bado tutaweza. Alafu mwaka ujao tumtoe.
Na shida iko katika sekta ya usalama. Kwa sababu polisi wameniongelesha. DCI wameniongelesha. National Intelligence Service wameniongelesha. Shida ni kwamba ile pesa ya security operations Kasongo amechukua yote. Unajua kuna ile pesa ambayo haiendi through audit ya kutafuta information, polisi wanapewa kunusanusa maneno, kulipalipa information ndio wajue ile maneno napangwa. Hii pesa yote pale internal security zaidi ya 5 billion shillings ambaye ni ya security operations. Kasongo na Mukomen wamechukua yote. There is no money available to security agencies waweze kuwa na intelligence ya kujua nini napangwa. Maofisa wote wa SOG, wa GSU, wa polisi, they are demoralized. Allowances hakuna. Sasa wakiambiwa waende kazi kupigana na adui wanashindwa kuamuka. Hata wale wanalida president wa presidential escort hawajapata allowances miezi 5.
Utigana nayo mubunge umukuraini umuske John Kagusha nigobono aurukire bose obwe Ekeonga gyokoreta amo abakenya na kubomona bisaku ao Ekeonga kya National Cohesion Integration Commission kuse NCIC na chinga kicho nigo anyare kwera buna chinkwane cya bwatugete ase Chinsa muse ase county ya Nyeri igoro ya igisaku kyomo ikoyo gotamubekera ekura umuske William Ruto sobochoryo bonene burache nigatebiruna chinkwane nigachikwanete chialenge chiage siasa nande chibwati bwamate bunde bwensi ocha sokoleta ogwatananekana ase abakenya ose nchiri echiobogesaku.
Elections Offences Act, Section 10. And then someone along the way discovered that the Elections Offences Act can be applied here because it's only in operation when there are elections. And so the DCI, after a lengthy meeting, we had to wait for 3 hours, arrived to the conclusion that they needed to charge me under the penal code 94. And of course, which is really a misdemeanor. And of course, he had also to gather up to 8 prosecutors from ODPP to appear in court on a case of a misdemeanor. And then everyone wondered, why are you not charging him under the Act? And many people have argued that probably because the Commission Act, Section 13, clearly puts it and gives the threshold under which Commissioner Jerusha, I'm sure you are seized of this particular issue. The Section 13 of your Act gives the threshold under which you can charge someone on hate speech, which of course some people argued the reason why this has not been taken so far as a charge is because the remarks, the utterances that we may have given do not in any way meet that threshold. And really, that is what some of the people have thought. All the same, Chair, with tremendous respect to the NCIC, we ought probably to have, had this as a first point of call. But now, because under the multi-agency operation, that was not considered as a first point of call, I think the only logical, and not just logical, but maybe the most respectful thing to do is to allow the process just roll on.
Endelea utufuatia si mitandao yetu ya Kirero, ulio Facebook, ulio YouTube na Voigo, aso mutandao o TikTok, unanchire moyo kugendera gusanga, ayuna yanda mange, unagendete wateka kurwase chinsinyo, na kubwa muno kurwase orugongo rwagusi. Kurukwa Matildah Obaigwa, mbia mwana soko kugendera kubo mwegenwa, nere Wilson Makori, kurwase vimanyerera, na Voigo yunuke atuti, kurwase studio ya kaveri, tuwaro buligirilio vya, na emargowa entoereru.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores ye gutoke meyo mucyo songo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwase chi company ao obusi bw'ingano amabuta y'ichinyo ni kurwase chi company ao amajani kurwase company ya Keteba echumbi ya Cancelled egati bintu binde binge Voigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwase company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ni chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwato bokori obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwato bokori wa forklift asibego bokori wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro to tigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere bintu biga aseri guriria mubuko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru complex eyuerange na magacho Safaricom Voigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers ange na Credit Bank ime yomucho songo bakere simgo transact number chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Nyota Dry Cleaners ndiko bagusibya balingana kubase cyanga cyao wekerano ngusibya bale ekisuti kigown kiduve curtains carpet ebikoro tukurwa bidibya bana bikabiri by'abantabanene Voigo mukuru bale obukoreri wa vacuum cleaning sofa set cleaning asechinga niko bagutuka imiyo mu cy'umusongo nyanjwa amene gitali ya maiso mbabwate Voigo obukoreri bwa pick up na Voigo delivery asamange bakirisine ase namba 0742178765 Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi. Ine kwabiri gukorya a roadshow track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo iratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate roadshow track experience